Before Xcode 27, when we create a new project, it automatically comes with the assets catalog for organizing and managing your app's resources, such as image, color sets, data files, and more. This has changed in Xcode 27, so you need to create the assets catalog yourself. To demonstrate that, I'll go to File and select the option New. Then I'll select Project. Let's create an app for iPhone, iPad, and Mac, so I will leave this option. In the project navigator, you have noticed there is no asset catalog. So to create one, I will Control-click here and select the option New File from Template. I will then scroll through the list and select Asset Catalog. I'll go to Next and name it. Let's leave it as Media and create it. So we can now use the Asset Catalog to manage images, color sets, data sets in the project.